Alright, now we're going to unbox the Yakuza Zero. Yeah, I've been curious. What's this game all about? Yeah. Can't wait to play it. Alright, let's unbox this. Alright, let's go.
Alright. Pretty cool.
Oh, what?
Nothing there?
Not even
There's-
a manual or instruction.
They could have given us a manual or something.
Alright.
Oh, cool. Those men look very, very serious.
Yeah. Are they brothers?
They could be brothers.
They look alike. Oh, I gotta play this.
I have a feeling
Yeah.
they're like the main characters.
Alright. Alright, that's it.
Alright.
That's
Thanks for
Yakuza
watching.
Zero.